In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for inventory management. We're going to walk through setting up a ready-made inventory management board using Monday.com's templates. By the end, you'll have a structure you can start using right away to track your stock, products, or supplies. First, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account and that you're in the correct workspace where you want your inventory board to live. Look to the left-hand side of your screen for the list of workspaces. Beside the name of the workspace you're using, you'll see a small plus sign. Go ahead and click that plus sign. This is how you create something new within that workspace, such as a board, a dashboard, or in this case, a board based on a template. When you click the plus sign, you'll see an option to create a new board. Find the board that was just created or highlighted and look for a small arrow next to its name. This is usually a downward-facing arrow or a small menu icon. Click on that arrow to open more options related to this board. This menu is important because it's where you'll find tools to customize or replace the content of the board. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option that says Start with Template and click on it. Using a template saves you a lot of time because it comes with pre-built columns and structures that are already designed for common use cases, like inventory management. Instead of building everything from scratch, you're just adapting something that already works. After clicking Start with Template, you'll be taken to the Template Center. At the top of this page, you should see a search bar. Click into that search bar and type Inventory Management. This tells Monday.com to filter all of its templates and show you the ones related specifically to managing inventory. Once the search results load, look for the template titled Inventory Management. It may show a short description underneath explaining what it's best used for, like tracking items, quantities, locations, or reorder levels. Click on the Inventory Management template to open its details page. Here you can quickly preview the layout and see what kinds of columns and views are included. If this template matches what you need, look for the button that says Use Template and click it. Monday.com will now create a new board in your chosen workspace based on that Inventory Management template. After a few moments, you'll see your new board appear, ready for you to customize with your own products, stock numbers, and workflows. From here, you can rename the board, adjust columns, and begin entering your real inventory data.